My life before modeling. I always considered myself a nerd, actually, and what's funny is how I got into modeling is people constantly be like, wow, you're so tall.
So what were you before you were a model?
I worked at a pizza place. It's like the goofy one, like I'd make big dough monsters in the oven for like my coworkers to find.
What is up, YouTube? It's Jay. I'm back. We're gonna do our first Southern California beach shoot. I'm with
Jessica Minter. I am a fashion model.
That was fast. We're gonna start again. I'm in Southern California. I did some in Florida, but the sun sets down here. I don't want to ever wake up that early for a beach shoot again to get golden hour, so we're kind of lucky right here. I am with the beautiful Jessica.
Hello.
So what's your story?
I am a fashion model in Los Angeles. I have been doing it for 8 years. I am originally from Fresno, California. It is in the center of California. Big, flat, kind of boring place. Your car might get stolen. I mean, it's close to Yosemite. Anyway.
I heard you're a gamer.
I am a gamer, yes. People are kind of surprised. But
comment below if you want her to have a Twitch, because I'm trying to convince her.
I know.
I don't know why I have to convince her.
I am a gamer. I've been a gamer since I was probably 6 years old, thanks to my dad. Hi, Dad. Started with SNES, N64 to PS1, fell off for PS4, sorry. I'm a huge fan of like really in-depth RPGs where I can just run around, do whatever the hell I want.
I bet you didn't think this episode was gonna be about this, but that's
no.
what happened. Okay, she knows Elena.
I do.
And you also know Pernilla.
I do, yeah, worked with both of them.
All the beautiful people know each other. That's pretty much the rule, apparently. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit that bell button so you get the notifications. And if you like the video, make sure you like it. If you dislike it, you're only gonna hurt her. So, I mean, whatever. Are you ready to go shoot?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go ahead, let's have some without looking into the camera, more candid. Good. Sort of enjoying the sun, sort of the beach. There you go. That's the light on you. Love that. Beautiful smile. Love that. Nice. Half body. Gorgeous. Let's go have some candids and not looking into the cameras. Good. Love it. Let's go and go deeper in. And stop. Good. Love it. Let's not look into the camera for the next couple. Good. I love when you're just sort of feeling that wind on your face. Great. Love that. Great. A little bit more portraits. Great. Love the personality. Here comes the water. Great. Go ahead and give me the side, your side, and just sort of peeking back at me. Great. Too many days in the darkness. Go ahead and, this one is a little bit more portrait. Go ahead and just face me a little bit. It's going to be cropped in pretty tight. Kind of nice. Go ahead and lean a little bit more, tilt a little bit more. Great. And now eyes off of me. Great, and the last one, pretty tight. Nice, I love that. It's a beautiful smile. Great. Got it. All right, that is great. You work the camera so well and so fast. I'm worried about that water because one, I'm sure audio might be a little weird, but two, I didn't intend to go into that water. It just came out there and started grabbing me. I was like, am I gonna drop the camera into the water? We're gonna keep everything like dry and then like sort of work downwards into like getting a little bit more wet and textured for her hair. But we need to keep her dry right now. So it's a little bit harder than I was expecting. The light is actually getting to almost the perfect angle right now. This is what a model does for work. Instagram is work. It's real, okay? Did you know that there is an app for models, only for models, to get free stuff at restaurants. I'll tell you about it off camera. Sorry, it's not for normal people like you and I, okay? It's for the models. All right.
And I just figured one day, I was like, I've been in Fresno for my whole life, experienced everything it had to offer, so I was like, I'm just gonna up and move to LA. I literally like quit my job, my boss wasn't very happy, and I moved here with 350 bucks. I got very lucky and made some good friends here, and it's been really fun. I mean, it's been an experience. I'd say, you know, anyone who's considering leaving their hometown, like, try it. Even, you know, you could always go back. I even had a girl come up to me in like a bar once that I went to high school with. It's like, oh my God, I've seen all your work online. It's so awesome. Like, it's so crazy that you're like modeling and seeing at it. And it like really surprised me because I'm like, wow, like they were always very supportive. You know, my dad, I remember, took me to audition for America's Next Top Model at one point. My parents are very proud.
Wait, do you get sand in your mouth? Okay. Great. Go ahead and let's do some over the shoulders. Cool. Let's go and go without the shirt now. Great. Love it.
You told me I'm your anchor. I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire, we try to hold on. We build this ship together.
Beautiful.
Searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board.
Gonna wait for the water.
Dancing in the moonlight.
Here it comes.
We're just stopping stairs. We got no destination.
Here it comes again.
I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together. Story that we
Here it comes again.
So
And
forsaken for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh,
yeah, kind of that position. Got it.
For our failures we
Wait for
have
it.
grown. You said just keep holding on.
Okay, here it comes. And now. Wonderful. Here comes another one. And here it. Yeah, that's good enough for now. That's good. Great. It's gonna be a portrait. Go ahead and open your eyes on this one. Nice. Great. All right, last one is coming up. Oh, here comes a big one. Don't drown. It gets in your hair. Get up.
You told me I'm your anchor.
Save that one.
Through the wind and fire, we try to hold on. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words that come together.
Oh, gorgeous.
Story that we never told. So forsaken for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break.
Go ahead and turn back towards me a little bit. Great. I just want to know, so every performer, every actress, every model is different. What's going through your mind when you're like performing?
So for me, I always want to make sure the client's happy, and I know that sounds cheesy, but that's actually like my goal. Focusing on my posing and variety, and I really just kind of like let go. I like zoom out the background, like if there's people around or they're like looking or weirdly using their phones and also shooting me while I'm shooting, which happens kind of a lot.
Actors, yeah, you have to do it, but you're given a cue. You're like, all right, quiet on the set, action, and you know it's like everyone's with you. But she's doing it out in public.
That's actually maybe one thing that when I first started, you have to kind of learn and get used to. You got people who they always think you're doing something for like the biggest ad campaign in the world. You got people like jumping in your shot and like, hey, can I model with you? I want to be a model. And I'm just like,
oh,
hi.
Love it. Here comes some water. Love it. Have fun with that. I love the way you're having fun with it. Great. water to come up. Cool. Can you put it? There we go. Just your eyes come back at me. There he goes. Just your eyes. Love it. Oh, whoa. It's a little bit stronger than I thought. Are you okay? Oh no, got it. Let's go on your side. I think it might, I don't want you to drown. There we go. Great. Here it comes. Up. Love it. Last one, last one. Good. And here it comes. Up. There it is. Here it comes. Okay, so we're calling it a wrap. That was wonderful. Now it's golden hour, but I am kind of burned out a little bit, and those waves were hardcore, right? Yeah. I almost lost the camera. Jeez. Sort of a plain sandy beach. It's really nice, but there's not like rocks and a lot of like dimensions to this place. But for you, what's it like so when you're working on some of the bigger productions?
Bigger productions, well, I did one cold as, so like it was like 50 degrees. We're in like swimwear, running around trying to be funny and do like a funny skit, and it was just like, you don't know about LA beach shoots. It's pretty rare that you're not gonna be cold. Even today, like I'm like shivering. I
know we're performers, so I know you're gonna do it and you're gonna take it and we're gonna do it, and you know, we're kind of used to it. At the same time, it's like, yo.
With tiny little crabs that are underneath the sand.
Is that what was going on there?
Yes.
Jeez.
They're all crawling on me because I had a terrible experience with one of my first shoots in a Russian magazine. We were in the desert, and believe it or not, it was like 30-degree wind chill or something, with like all of us got so sick and cold that by the end of the shoot, like, gross fact, but 3 of us models threw up on the side of the road on the way back because we were so cold.
So glamorous.
And that was one of my, yeah, very glamorous. That was one of my first shoots, so it kind of like set me up to where ever since then it's like nothing will ever be as cold as that.
So I'm trying to convince her to start a YouTube channel. I think she's already on the verge of that. But tell me, like when it comes to low or something, you could just listen to her for the next hour, just ramble on,
really?
I'm sure.
What? I fell in a garbage can and that's why I was okay. That's not a lie at all.
You fell in what?
Into a dumpster. I was pretending to be a cat, and after being told not to climb the mulberry tree to go onto the roof, I slipped, rolled off the roof thinking like, well, this is it, and then I fell in a dumpster.
If you could talk to that girl and say that in the future you're gonna be an LA model, I just want to like see that, like when her face is popping out of the trash can and you're just telling her that story. It gets better. It gets better. Jessica, thank you for it. Was a wonderful shoot. It was a short shoot. She just came out. She braved the waves. That was insane. Got great photos. You heard a lot of wonderful stories, I'm sure. And so I'm gonna go and put all that. You have Instagram. You have everything. You're with an agency. I'm gonna put all the information down below. A book shoot with someone who knows what the heck she's doing and willing to brave that kind of like, oh geez.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.
See you guys next time.
Bye.